Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am working with RPGSHOW Hair. They sent me this very beautiful wig that you see me wearing now. This is their blowout haircut blonde highlight layered wig. It is a 13x6 frontal. It is in 20 inches and it also comes with their Lagos hairline. I've just been hooked on the Lagos hairline. I feel like it complements my face shape so well because normally wigs come with like a straight across kind of hairline. It's not really customized. I feel like my natural hairline is kind of like a Lagos hairline, so this is perfect for me. If you guys want to see how I got this beautiful wig look straight out of the box, then just keep on watching.